one of my favorite topics we're going to be reflecting on today, talking on today.
That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't miss this. Well, I don't miss this.
I know. You're an absolute champion. And I want to come to the office and say hi. I've got this idea of setting up a little table with some banners and some popcorn and just coming to say how's it, and people can come and talk, have a chat. That's my plan. That's what I would like to do.
Okay.
Yeah. Welcome everyone. Welcome. I see you logging on slowly today. There's a bit of a slow thing. I don't know. Did you have a stressful week? There's my cat. She wants to say hello. She say hello to everybody. Yeah. Meow. Meow. I think she thinks I'm crazy. Most people think I'm crazy, but you guys don't. I know you don't. I know you don't think I'm crazy. Ah! What is crazy? My word. Yeah, welcome. Let's not be crazy. Let's work on our nervous system and be resilient. And you know what? We can really. It's like what I say. I was just talking about it now. Imagine a world where nobody brushed their teeth. Imagine a world where the toothbrush was not invented and there was no toothpaste, but there were lots and lots of dentists. Okay. I know it sounds funny, right? But actually, in terms of our mental health and our resilience, that's what happens. Like people don't do anything about it, and then they have this crash, and then they go to the doctor or whatever. And it's like, oh, I got a toothache, let's go to the dentist, but no one's brushing. So by you attending these sessions or even doing some homework, and I'm going to give you some homework today, it's like really putting the things into action. And we know, we don't even think about brushing our teeth. We just do it. But you know what? Your mom and your dad, they didn't know nervous system regulation techniques. Did they? I'm curious. Did your mom or your dad teach you like how to calm yourself down? That's such an important thing to teach. Did your school teach it? Guys, maybe you can pop it in the chat or you want to unmute. Were you taught at a young age how to mitigate your stress, how to calm your anxiety, how to gather your thoughts? Right? It's important, don't you think? Were you taught this? I wasn't. And I suffered from anxiety big time. I was the king of anxiety. I was the most anxious kid at school, most anxious guy on the sports field. And no one had any idea on how to help me deal with my stress. No one. One of the most powerful things that I learned was something called alternate nostril breathing. I see Hillary Clinton's back in the news. She had to testify something about Epstein files. But when she ran against Donald Trump, she lost. Remember that? I think it was the 2020 election. And she was suffering from anxiety. She was having panic attacks. My cat is doing the weirdest things today. What are you doing? That's someone's car. Yeah, Anyway, sorry, guys. She's just messing up someone's car, my neighbor's car, like climbing all over it. I'm going to have to regulate my anxiety. Anyway, so Hillary Clinton wrote a book, What Happened? That's the name of the book, What Happened? And in this book, she talks about a technique that helped her to deal with her panic attacks. She was having a lot of panic attacks, having really, really, really bad stress, really bad stress. So I want to share this technique with you. It's a technique that I learned when I was 23 years old, and I was kind of having a nervous breakdown. And I must say, it meant the world to me. It changed my life. And there are many, many different breathing techniques. So don't think that this is the, the be all and end all. And it's kind of a weird thing, but it's not so weird once you get into it. So I thought maybe I'd give you a demonstration. And if you like, you can practice it too. All right. So you got to take your right hand and we're going to put our thumb on our right nostril. So you do this with me. There we go. And we're going to take in a nice breath in through the left. Now we're going to, okay, before we do that, sorry, put the index finger on your forehead and get your traffic finger ready. Okay, this one, the middle finger. The middle finger is going to work on the left nostril. So we're going to start with an in-breath on the left nostril, close the right nostril with the thumb, and here we go. Inhale. Now we're going to lift the thumb and we're going to put the middle finger on the left nostril, closing the left nostril. Exhale right. Inhale right. Close that right nostril. Exhale left. Inhale left. Close that left nostril. Lift the thumb. Exhale right. Inhale right. Close the right and exhale left. Inhale left. And so on. Okay, we're not going to get into it too much. This is not a breathwork class, but this is such a game changer because that switching from left to right, you'll notice that one nostril doesn't feel quite as open as the other. That's totally normal. But if you're doing it a lot, what happens is both your airways will clear and you will get more oxygen coming into your nose. It also balances the nervous system. So it automatically switches you out of the fight, flight, freeze mode. Okay. And as I say all the time, it doesn't matter what breathing. There are other breathing techniques. There's box breathing. There's the 3-4-5, 4-7-8 method. There's a whole bunch of methods. This is one of them. But you've got to try and get your breathing down really, really slow. Okay, really, really slow. And if you can get the breathing down really, really slow, well, that's a game changer. Then you're going to think better. You won't be so reactive. Okay, that's just one. You'll be able to manage your stress better. And that's just one. Let's talk a bit about the nervous system. One technique. There's two parts. Let's talk a bit about the nervous system. And it's what we call, we're going to get into it later, called the vagus nervous system, which is the main part of what we call, we're going to get into it later, called the vagus nerve, two parts of the sympathetic, which is the main part of the nervous system. So the two parts of the sympathetic and the parasympathetic. When you are stressed. So when what happens is we move into the sympathetic. When you are stressed. And you can see your pupils dilate, your heart beats faster, your lungs, and you can see your pupils dilate, your heart beats faster, your lungs taking more oxygen, and your stomach, you don't digest. Your lungs taking more oxygen, and your stomach. Why does this happen? You don't digest. Okay. Well, it happens because. So why does think about it? Human beings didn't really sit on office chairs. If you think about most of our human beings didn't really sit. Human beings did not have for most of our existence in a coffee mug. Human beings did not have a coffee in a coffee mug. No. This is all very new. And farming was only developed 11,000 years ago. This is all very new. Before that, farming was only developed 11,000 years ago. Okay. Wasn't before that spreadsheets. Our main job as human beings wasn't and it wasn't executive functionings and it wasn't knowledge working call center it wasn't executive functionings and knowledge working. It was survival. It was hunting. Bodies haven't changed at all in 200,000 years. Nothing. Our bodies haven't changed at all. Your body is designed for hunting and gathering. So that's what your body is designed for hunting and gathering. Okay? That's what your body is created for. So not for when we encountered danger. When we encountered danger back in the day, when we encountered 20,000 years ago, when we 15,000 years ago, whatever, in the day, let's say 20,000 years ago, sympathetic system was 15,000 years ago, whatever. It is this perfect. Sympathetic. It's taken a long time for our nervous system to develop. It is perfect. It's taken a long time for our nervous system to develop.
into the bush.
Okay?
Your pupils dilate because you can see into the dark, into the bush.
Better. You can see
Your
there's a
pupils
threat
dilate
or a
because you
wild
can
beast
see
or an
into the
animal
dark
hiding.
better.
That's
You
why
can
your
see
pupils
there's a
dilate.
threat or a wild beast or an
Your
animal
heart beats faster
hiding.
because it needs to
That's
pump
why your pupils dilate.
energy.
Needs to
Your
get
heart
you
beats
going.
faster because it needs to
And
pump
cortisol and
energy.
adrenaline gets pumped into your
Needs to
body.
get you going.
Cortisol is a painkiller in
And
case you
cortisol
do
and
get
adrenaline
attacked.
gets pumped into your
And
body.
adrenaline
Cortisol
makes
is a
you
painkiller
fight
in case
or
you
run
do get
faster
attacked.
and harder.
And
Okay?
adrenaline makes you fight
and you can see that
or run
the
faster
lungs
and
increase
harder.
oxygen.
Okay?
The more oxygen you get,
and
the
you
more
can see that
energized you
the
are.
the
to
lungs
fight.
increase oxygen.
The more oxygen you get, the
Or
more
run.
energized you are to fight.
Okay?
Your stomach contracts
run.
are slower. You don't digest. Why? Because you don't
Okay.
need to digest. You don't
Your
need that
stomach
energy
contracts
for
are
digestion.
slower. You don't digest. Why?
need
Because you don't
energy in
need
your
to
muscles.
digest. You don't need that energy
You
for
need energy
digestion.
to run and fight.
You need energy in your
But
muscles.
tell me something. You need energy
how many
to
of
run
you have
and
had
fight.
a physical fight today?
But tell me something.
And how many of you
How many
actually
of you
had to
have
run
had a
away
physical
from
fight
someone
today?
like your boss?
Did you run away down
And
the
how
road?
many of you actually
in the
had to
rain?
run away from someone
How
like
many-
your boss?
how many of
Did you
us
run away down the
had
road?
to run away from something
in the
physically?
rain?
How many?
Or
How many
fight
of us
something physically
had
today?
to run away from
Anyone?
something physically? I hope
Or
you haven't.
fight something
It'd be
physically
a bad
today.
day if you did.
Anyone?
I hope
Okay.
you haven't.
None
Be a
of
bad
us
day
did,
if you
right?
did.
None of us did.
The other
Okay.
stress option
None of us
is
did,
freeze.
right? None of us did.
The other
How many of us
stress
froze today?
option is freeze.
That's more likely. How many
You
of
know,
us
your boss
froze
said
today?
something, or a colleague said
That's
something,
more
and you
likely.
just froze.
You know, your boss said
You
something,
found that you couldn't answer,
or a colleague said something, and
you
you just
stressed
froze.
and you just
like,
you found that you
you
couldn't
know,
answer.
sometimes people
You
with
stressed
public
and you just,
speaking, they get up on
like,
stage and they freeze, right?
you
They-
know, and they
sometimes
forget
people
what they're going to
with
say,
public speaking, they get up on stage and,
and
they
that is a
freeze, right?
stress response because your
and they
brain
forget
shuts
what
down.
they're going to say.
When fight, flight, freeze,
and that is a stress
happens,
response.
your
Your brain
brain
shuts down.
it's something called the
When
amygdala hijack,
fight,
because your
flight,
brain
freeze
doesn't need
happens,
too much
your
logical
brain-
energy.
something called
Doesn't
the
need to
amygdala
think
hijack,
and
because your
rationalize,
brain doesn't
because your
need
brain is using
too much
20% of your
logical
body's energy.
energy. That
Doesn't need to
energy
think
needs to
and
go to
rationalize,
running
because your
and
brain is
fighting.
using 20%
Not
of
for
your body's
thinking.
energy. That energy needs to go
Okay?
to running.
So
and
it's a
fighting.
dynamic system.
Not for thinking. But the
Okay?
problem is
So
when
it's
you
a dynamic
encounter a
system
threat these days. But
it's an
the
an
problem
email,
is
or
when
it's
you
a deadline
encounter
you
a
missed.
threat these days,
or
it's an email,
a challenge
or
in the
it's a
boardroom.
deadline you
It's
missed.
not a physical threat,
but the
or
stress
it's,
response is the
the
same.
challenge in the boardroom.
It's not a physical
The
threat,
stress response
but
is
the
the same
stress response
as
is the
if
same.
you were being
threatened with your life.
The stress response is the same as if you were being
not running and you are
threatened
not
with your
fighting.
life. The running and fighting,
I'm not running and you
drops
are
the
not
cortisol
fighting.
and the adrenaline.
The
If
running
you
and
don't run
fighting
and fight,
r- drops
your
the
cortisol
cortisol and adrenaline builds
and
up
the
and you're going to
adrenaline.
get sick.
If you don't run and
You-
fight,
the inflammation
your
markers
cortisol
are going to
and
go through
adrenaline
the
builds
roof
up
and you're going to get sick.
and you may
the inflammation
eventually
markers are going to go through
experience
the
something
roof
called a chemical imbalance.
and
if there's too much
you
cortisol,
may
which leads to
eventually experience
psychosis,
something
mental
called a
illness,
chemical
depression.
imbalance. If there's too much cortisol,
And
which leads
terminal
to
psychosis,
problems,
mental
illnesses.
illness, depression.
I'm sorry, it's bad news. That's
And
bad news.
terminal
That's why
problems, illnesses.
exercise.
I'm sorry, it's
movements,
bad news. That's bad
meditation,
news.
mindfulness is so
That's why.
important. Breathwork. We're going to get
Exercise,
into the
movement,
the antidotes a little bit
meditation,
later.
mindfulness is so important. Breathwork.
And
We're
if you
going
have
to get
any
into
questions, guys,
the
please put up your
antidotes a little
hand.
bit later.
Please come in. I'm really.
And if you have any questions,
happy
guys,
to
please
hear
put up
your
your
voice,
hand.
you
Please
know,
come in.
and, or pop it in the chat.
I'm really happy to
The
hear
other
your
little
voice,
monarchy
you
here
know,
is
or pop it in the chat.
parasympathetic.
He's happy.
The other little
He's
monarchy
smiling.
here is parasympathetic.
His pupils
He's happy.
are not
Right?
dilated.
He's
They
smiling.
constrict. The
His
heart beats
pupils
slower.
are not dilated.
The
The
lungs
lungs
they
reduce
constrict.
oxygen intake.
The heart beats
and then
slower.
your digestion is humming along
The
nicely.
lungs reduce. the
Sometimes we
oxygen
call it
intake,
rest, digest,
and
and
then
thrive.
your digestion
Well,
is
the
humming
actual
along
thing
nicely.
is rest, digest.
Sometimes
and
we call it
reproduce.
rest, digest, and thrive.
Well, the
reproduce,
actual
right?
thing
That
is
was
rest,
like
digest,
also
and
our main
reproduce.
function. reproduce.
gathering,
Right? That was like also our main function. So I don't know. It's not so much of a main function
gathering,
these days, more of a recreation purpose. But anyway,
So I don't know. It's not
you
so much
know
of a
that
main
if you are
function
suffering
these
from
days,
chronic
more of a
stress, the
recreation purpose.
reproduce
But anyway,
side doesn't work.
you know
Okay?
that if you are suffering from
people
chronic
have problems
stress,
with
the
sexual
reproduce
things
side
because
doesn't
of
work.
chronic stress.
Okay,
So that is effective
people
because
have
there's no
problems with
energy for that.
sexual
There's no
things because of
libido
chronic
for
stress.
that.
When you
So that is
happy and
effective
calm,
because there's no
rest,
energy for
digest,
that.
and
There's no
reproduce, or rest,
libido
what I say,
for
rest
that.
and
When you're
digest,
feeling
rest,
happy
digest,
and
and
calm,
thrive.
rest,
But stress
digest,
will
and
affect us
reproduce
in
and rest. What I say, rest
many,
and
many
digest, rest,
different
digest, and
ways.
thrive.
Many,
stress
many
will
different
affect
ways.
us. So we
in
have this
all
ancient hardware.
many
You know, it's
different
really
ways.
interesting. They did this
Many
experiment
different
where.
ways.
So we have this ancient hardware.
You've
You
got
know, it's
faces.
really interesting. They did
If
this
you are triggered,
experiment
if you are
where
experiencing fight, flight, freeze,
you've got faces. If you are triggered, if you are
your
experiencing
whole
fight, flight, freeze,
reality is distorted.
your whole
A neutral
reality
face
is distorted.
appears threatening.
They did this test with pictures.
A
and
neutral
photographs.
face appears
And
threatening.
people that were
They
suffering
did this
from
test
stress
with
saw
pictures
that
and
the neutral
photographs.
face looked angry.
And people that were
Looked
suffering
sad.
from stress
Saw
saw
that
that
the
the
neutral
neutral face
People
looked
in the
angry.
rest, digest, and thrive
Looked
place
sad.
looked at the
This and
neutral
said, "Oh,
face. People
that's
in the
neutral
rest,
face. Well, that's
digest, and
neutral.
thrive place.
But
People that
looked
were
at this
stressed
and
said,
said,
"No,
"No, that face is
that's
not
neutral
neutral.
face."
That
Well,
face
that's
is
neutral.
angry." But
So your
people
whole
that are stressed
perception
said, "No,
is,
that face is not
altered.
neutral.
I'll
That
give you
face is
an
angry."
example. So your whole perception
cat looks exactly like
is
this.
altered.
Maybe-
I'll give you
Maybe
an
she'll come
example.
and sit with us again.
My cat
Where
looks
did she
exactly
go?
like this. Maybe
It's
she'll
raining
come and
again.
sit with us again.
It's nice.
Where
Nice.
did
I
she
love
go?
this rain.
Isn't it nice? In Josie,
It's
I
raining
don't know where
again.
you guys are, but we've had some
nice.
beautiful rain
Nice.
in
I
Josie.
love this rain. Isn't it nice?
It was
In
so hot
Josie.
before.
Don't know where
Anyway,
you guys are, but we've
this
had
is
some
my
beautiful
cat looks
rain in
almost
Josie.
identical. It was so hot before. Anyway, this is my cat looks almost identical.
The one day the cat got bit by a dog, and the cat ran inside.
The one day
and was
the
against
cat
the
got
wall,
bit by a dog,
and it was
and the cat
terrified,
ran inside
right? It was
and
hiding.
was against the
and
wall.
I went to pick
and
up
it was
the cat, and you know what
terrified,
the cat did?
right? It was
It
hiding.
bit me on my
and I
hand.
went to
and it
pick
bit
up
me
the
so
cat,
hard
and you know what the cat did?
that the teeth went
It
through
bit
the
me on
skin.
my
It wasn't
hand.
a little
And it
love
bit me
bite.
so
It was
hard
a serious
that the teeth went through
serious
the skin.
bite.
It wasn't
Now
a
this
little
is the
love
cat
bite.
that
It
I
was a
love.
serious
This is the cat that sits on my lap
serious
every day.
bite.
This is
Now,
the
this
cat
is
that
the
sleeps
cat
on
that
my
I love.
bed.
This is the cat that sits on my
But
lap
in
every
that
day.
moment,
This is the cat that sleeps on my bed. So much so I had to go to hospital.
but in that moment,
Okay, for stitches and well, they can't actually stitch it
Okay.
up. For
I don't know if you
stitches
know,
and,
but if you get bit
well,
by
they
an
can't
animal,
actually
they can't
stitch it up because
They-
that
I don't know if you
they
know,
need, they
but
need
if
to
you get
expose
bit by
the
an
wound.
animal,
they
they
can't
can't
stitch
stitch
it
the
up because
wound.
that
They
they
need
can
to
just
expose
expose
the
the
wound,
wound.
but,
But
I
I
have
have
to
to
have
have
tetanus
tetanus
shots
shots and whatnot.
So
they
they
can
can
just
just
clean it, right?
But I don't know if you know
I had
that.
to have tetanus shots and
Now,
and
why
whatnot.
did
They
this
can't
cat
stitch it
that
up.
loves me and I love
I don't know if
her
you know that.
bite the hell
Now,
out of my
why
hand?
did this cat that loves
Because
me and
she
I
was
love her
terrified.
bite the
Because
hell
her
out of my
brain
hand? Was in
because
fight,
she was
flight,
terrified.
freeze mode, and all she could
Because her
see
brain
was
was a
in
threat
fight,
when
flight,
I,
freeze mode, and
the
all
person
she
that
could
feeds
see
her, the person that loves her,
was a threat. When
tried to
I
help her. She bit me.
the person that feeds her, the person
Now
that
you can
loves
say,
her,
stupid
tried
cat.
to help her. She bit me.
No. Now
The
you can
problem
say,
is,
stupid cat.
we are the same.
No.
If we are
The problem is,
in a corner, if we are threatened,
we are the
if
same.
we are feeling in a state of chronic
if
stress,
we are
even
in
the
a corner,
person
if
that's
we are
trying to help
threatened,
us,
if we
are feeling in a
we
state of
might
chronic
attack.
stress,
we might
even the person that's trying
see
to
them
help
in a
us,
different way.
okay, we might attack.
It's a strange
We might
analogy, but it works the
see
same.
them in a different
It works
way.
the same.
Okay,
Our nervous system lies.
it's a
to
strange
us when we
analogy,
are,
but it works the
not
same.
regulated.
It works the same.
Okay.
Our
And
nervous
really
system
we
lies
can-
to
we
us
can-
when
we
we
can
are
cause all sorts of mayhem.
not regulated.
Can lead to
Okay.
can lead
and
to a
really
divorce.
we can
You know,
cause
one
all sorts of
moment of
mayhem.
can lead to
amygdala
can
hijack.
lead to
One
a
moment
divorce.
of fight, one moment
can lead to a
of
divorce, right?
amygdala hijack. One
Um,
moment of
road
fight
rage. You can lose your life.
can lead to a
normal
divorce,
person.
right?
Just
Um,
not being able
road
to
rage,
regulate
you can lose your life.
A normal person.
And
Just
just
not being able
and
to
this kind of
regulate
plays
yourself.
out in a lot of ways. I mean,
And
I had a girlfriend,
and this kind of
long time
plays
ago,
out
and,
in a lot of ways. I mean,
she
couldn't love me.
I had
you
a
know.
girlfriend.
She was
long time
amazing. She
ago,
was pretty.
and,
She actually looked a lot like this
she
girl. in
couldn't
the
love
picture.
me. You know,
She was a
she
Portuguese
was
girl,
amazing. She was
and,
pretty. She actually looked a lot like
I
this
don't know.
girl.
That guy
in the
doesn't
picture.
look like me, but I
She's a
try to find a
Portuguese
picture
girl,
that's
and,
close enough. I don't know. That guy doesn't look like me, but I try to find a
and
picture.
she was so
that's
like,
close
she
enough.
didn't trust me. She was
And
like, you are a
she
player.
was,
You are cheating.
and she was
on
so
me.
like, she
I know
didn't
you
trust me. She was like,
sleeping
you are a
around.
player.
I was like, oh
you
my
are
gosh.
cheating
Her
on
nickname was
me.
Misty.
I know
was
you
like, no,
sleeping
Misty.
around.
I promise
I was like,
I'm
oh
loyal.
my gosh. Her
I'm not
nickname was
fooling
Misty.
you.
I was like, no, Misty.
I am loyal.
I promise I'm loyal.
But she's
I'm
checking
not
my
fooling
phone.
you.
She's following me in the
I
car.
am loyal.
But she's checking my
She
phone.
doesn't trust me.
She's following me
Anyway,
in the car.
we broke up. But I didn't cheat
You
on her.
know,
I was loyal.
She doesn't trust me.
A year later, she
Anyway,
asked
we
me
broke
for
up,
coffee.
but I
We
didn't
go
cheat
for
on
coffee.
her. I was loyal.
She said, okay, come now.
A year later,
you must
she
tell me,
asked
who
me for
are you
coffee.
cheating?
We go for coffee.
What was her
She
name?
said, okay, come now.
Like, oh,
You must tell me,
Misty,
who
I
are you
promise you.
cheating?
What was
there
her
was
name?
no one. It's like, oh, Misty,
And then
I promise you.
She started crying.
There was no
she
one.
says to me, I was cheating on you. I had two
she started
boyfriends
crying
while I was with you.
And then she says to me,
I was cheating on
and
you.
I was
I
like,
had two
what?
boyfriends while I was with you.
And she said, yeah, because I know you were cheating on me.
And I was like, what?
I know you had girlfriends. I
And
said,
she
I
said,
didn't.
yeah, because I know you were cheating on me.
She said, yeah, but I didn't believe
I know you
That's
had
why
girlfriends.
I said, I
two
didn't.
boyfriends. I was like, oh my gosh.
She said, yeah, but I didn't believe you. That's why I had.
So the relationship
boyfriends.
ended
I
for
was like,
nothing.
oh my gosh.
And she didn't want to cheat on me either.
So the
but
relationship
she said, oh, well,
ended for
he's doing it,
nothing.
I'll do it.
And
she didn't
and
want
it turns
to
out
cheat
that
on
she
me
had
either,
past
but she
trauma.
said, oh, well,
Her
he's doing
father
it, I'll
cheated
do it.
on her mom.
And it
Then
turns
her
out
first
that she had
boyfriend
past
cheated
trauma.
on her. Second
Her father
boyfriend cheated on her.
her
Third
mom.
boyfriend cheated.
Then
Then
her
I'm
first
fourth
boyfriend
boyfriend
cheated on her.
Right? So
Second
I have
boyfriend
no
cheated
hope.
on her.
Third
Third
boyfriend
boyfriend
she looks
cheated.
at a man.
Then I'm
She
fourth
just sees
boyfriend,
trauma.
right?
She just
So
sees
I
a
have
problem.
no hope
Because
She
when she
can't
looks at a man, she
love
just sees trauma. She just
properly.
sees a problem.
because her nervous system
She
is
can't
now on high alert.
love
Because
properly.
men, because her
cheat.
nervous system is
Yeah.
now on high alert.
And I lost a really
because
nice
men
partner.
cheat.
I loved her.
Yeah.
But
And I lost
unfortunately,
a really nice
through
partner.
her trauma,
I loved her.
it played out as projection.
But unfortunately, we talk
through
about
her
this
trauma,
in
psychology,
it played out as
cognitive
projection.
fusion.
that
We talk
she
about
couldn't
this
get
in,
out of the box.
psychology,
of seeing men in a
cognitive
bad way,
fusion.
even if it was
That
a decent
she
guy.
couldn't get out of the box.
I don't know if
of
I'm a
seeing
decent guy,
men
but
in a
anyway,
bad
you know what I
way.
mean. Even if it was a decent guy,
So
I don't know if I'm a decent guy, but anyway,
let
you
us
know what I mean.
talk about Vegas.
So
Viva
let us
Las
talk
Vegas.
about Vegas.
Anybody been to Las
Viva
Vegas?
Las Vegas.
Anybody here? Anybody been to Las Vegas?
Anybody?
Anybody here? Anybody been to Las Vegas? I came pretty close.
Anybody?
I didn't go. I was in Arizona.
Anybody been to Las Vegas?
About
I came
4
pretty
years
close.
ago. It was amazing.
I didn't go. I was in
but
Arizona.
We
about
we had
4
our
years
son and we
ago.
didn't think
It was
that,
amazing.
but
It was going to be
we had our son and we didn't
suitable.
think that, anybody been to
It was gonna
Las
be,
Vegas or anywhere near there? No one been there.
suitable.
Anybody
Sure.
been to
The mining
Las
people
Vegas
don't
or anywhere
travel
near
there,
there?
eh?
No one been there. What happens
Sure.
in Vegas
The mining
stays
people
in
don't
Vegas.
travel there, eh?
Absolutely.
Pinto,
What
that's so
happens in
true.
Vegas stays in
Yeah, what
Vegas.
happens in Vegas
Absolutely.
stays-
I mean, that's a there's a
Pinto,
they
that's
call
so
it Sin
true.
City as well.
Yeah,
hey?
what happens in Vegas?
I mean,
people
that's
just go
a
mad.
There's a they call it
drinking,
Sin
drugs,
City as well. Hey,
because
promiscuous
people just go mad,
gambling,
drinking, drugs.
I don't know. Like it looks fun, but I
promiscuous,
don't know about all the rest of it.
gambling. I'm too old.
I don't
for,
know.
for
Like
big
it looks
parties now.
fun, but I don't know about all the
Dagada,
rest of it.
just a wish.
I'd
I'm too
love to
old
be in
for,
Las
for
Vegas.
big
Me
parties
too.
now.
I want to go and see a concert.
Dagada,
I wanna go and
just
fly
a
in
wish.
helicopter
I'd love to be in Las
around.
Vegas. Me too.
I don't know.
I want to go and see.
I want to
a
get
concert.
married.
I want
Like
to go and fly in a
I don't know.
helicopter
I need to find a
around.
wife, but
I don't
want to
know.
get married.
I want to get married
like
by
I don't know.
Elvis. I need to
You
find
know,
a
I want
wife,
to dress up
but
like Elvis.
I want to
and
get
my wife,
married. She must dress up
like by Elvis.
I don't know.
You know, I want to dress
Marilyn
up like
Monroe
Elvis and my
or
wife. She
Beyonce
must
or
dress
something.
up.
I
like,
don't know.
You know,
I don't know.
wouldn't that be cool?
Marilyn Monroe
to have like
or
a
Beyonce or
cheesy
something. I
Las
don't know,
Vegas
you
wedding? Wouldn't that be cool? To have like a cheesy Las Vegas
love me
wedding.
tender, love me true.
You got that Elvis, you know?
Love me tender, love
what's the
me
song?
true.
I
Can't
you got that
help
Elvis, you know?
falling in
What's the
love
song? I
with
can't
you.
help. You know, you got that playing in the
Falling
background.
in
You get
love
married. Oh my word!
with you.
You know, you got that playing in the
That would be so
background. You get
cool.
married.
My friend
oh
did
my
that
word.
actually. Maggie, I would
that
love
would be
one
so
day.
cool.
My friend did that actually. Maggie,
Pinto.
I would
Elvis
love
is
one
like
day.
a god, you know. It's crazy, right?
Pinto,
Elvis
looks
is
so
like
strange.
a god.
Please
you know?
don't break.
It's crazy, right? I mean,
Sure
he
thing,
looks so
Maggie.
strange.
Please
Ah.
don't break.
I mean, anyway, let's
Sure
not-
thing, Maggie.
Las Vegas.
why are we talking about Las Vegas?
I mean,
Because I don't know.
anyway,
There's
that's not-
absolutely no
Las
relevance.
Why
to
are we
Las
talking about
Vegas?
Las Vegas? Because
In
I don't know,
fact,
there's
look at the
absolutely
spelling.
no relevance to Las Vegas.
In fact, look at
And
the
we're
spelling.
talking about
Vegas.
Vegas.
So
And
we're talking about
anyway, I'm
Vegas.
just trying to help you remember
Vegas. The term.
So,
That's why we're doing
Anyway,
this.
I'm just trying to help
There
you
it is.
remember
The vagus nerve. The term. That's why
I'm sure
we're
you've
doing
heard
this.
about the vagus nerve.
There it is. The vagus nerve. It is the
I'm sure you've
longest
heard about
nerve
the
in the
vagus
human
nerve.
body.
Okay.
And it runs from your brain.
It is the longest nerve in the
and it
human body.
connects all
and
of
it
your
runs
organs
from your
all of them.
brain. And it connects
All of them.
all of your organs.
Okay.
All of them.
All of them.
Vegas is Latin.
Okay.
And it means
Wondering.
Vegas
Wondering.
is Latin.
So you've got this
and it means
big
wondering.
nervous system. Wondering.
You know,
So
that
you've
like
got this
moves through
big
your body
nervous system
and connects all of your
you know,
organs to
that
your
like
brain. Moves
Okay.
through your body.
If you didn't have a
and
vagus
connects
nerve,
all
you
of your
wouldn't be with
organs
us.
to your
You
brain.
wouldn't be able to understand what
Okay.
I'm saying.
No.
If you didn't have a vagus nerve, you wouldn't be
So
with
it's a
us.
very,
You wouldn't be able to
it is
understand
your
what I'm
body's
saying.
superpower.
Basically, that's what the
So it's
slide
a
says
very,
here. The
it
vagus
is your
nerve
body's
is your
superpower.
body's. Basically, that's what the
superpower.
slide says here. The vagus
Alright.
nerve is your
And
body's superpower.
If our vagus nerve
Alright.
is not
And
operating well,
because
if our
they
vagus
call
nerve is not
basically
operating well,
because
they call
the medical world
basically
calls,
they say low vagal
the medical
tone.
world calls
Okay, that
they
doesn't sound
say
really nice.
low
Vagal
tone.
When something's low
that
tone,
doesn't sound really
it's
nice.
weak. Low
It's not
tone.
operational.
When something's
Okay?
low tone,
Low
it's
vagal
weak.
tone
means
It's not
that
operational.
your vagus nerve
Okay?
is not as
Low
strong
vagal
as
tone
it should be.
means
That your
Yeah.
vagus nerve
Now,
is not
we've
as
got to think,
strong
okay,
as it should be.
this is according to the works of
Yeah.
Stephen Porges
Now,
in the 1990s.
we've got to think, okay,
Groundbreaking
to the works of
psychologist
Stephen
and
Porges
author.
in the 1990s, and his work has been carried on
Groundbreaking
by
psychologist
Dr.
and
Nicole
author.
Lepera,
and his work has been
by,
carried on by
Bessel
Dr.
van der
Nicole
Kolk, and
Lepera.
you can see all my
by,
books. That's all somewhere. It's
Bessel
all
van
here.
der Kolk,
right?
and
It's all
you
here.
can see all my books.
Even
it's
this
all
book here somewhere. It's all here. Right? It's
by
all
Dr.
here.
Gabor Mate.
Even this
the
book
body
here,
keeps the score, right? It talks about
by
the
Dr.
nervous
Gabor
system.
Mate,
The vagus
the
nerve
body
keeps the
best-
score, right?
best-
It talks
bestsellers.
about the nervous system,
bestsellers.
the vagus nerve.
I've got more
best-
books on
best-
that side. I'm a
bestsellers.
bookworm. Bestsellers.
But
I've got more books on that
there's
side.
so much
I'm a
research on
bookworm.
this vagus nerve,
But,
and so many
um,
books published
there's so-
around
there's so much
vagal
research
tone,
on
this
tone.
vagus nerve, and so many books
Low vagal
published
tone means
around
that we're in
vagal
trouble.
tone.
Low
Vagal
vagal tone
is a
low
result of
vagal
chronic
tone
stress,
means that we're in
and not
trouble.
doing
Low
the
vagal
work,
tone
not looking
is a
after
result of
yourself,
chronic stress.
and not doing
Having
the
a
work,
system that's highly
not
inflamed.
looking after yourself.
So when we have low vagal tone,
having a system that's highly
lack of
inflamed.
emotional regulation.
So when we
There's
have
no
low
meaningful
vagal tone,
connection
with other people,
lack of emotional regulation.
there's no focus,
There's no
there's a lack
meaningful
of focus,
connection
a lack
with
of
other people.
concentrating. There's no focus, there's a
you
lack
have
of
weak
focus,
executive
a lack of functioning.
Okay.
You have weak
executive functioning is
functioning.
what your
Okay.
brain is doing, your prefrontal cortex.
Basically,
Executive
it's
functioning
decision-making,
is
task
what your brain is
flexibility,
doing,
error
your prefrontal
correction,
cortex.
creativity,
Basically, it's
innovation,
decision-making,
pretty much
task
everything that you
flexibility,
use
error
in your
correction,
working day,
creativity,
and
innovation,
trouble delaying gratification.
pretty much
is
everything
another
that you
symptom.
use in your working
Okay.
day.
So addiction problems
And trouble
and that,
delaying gratification is
all of
another
these things
symptom.
are indicative of
So addiction
a
problems
low
and
vagal
that,
tone,
and that is
all of
gonna
these
lead
things
to
are indicative
organ
of
problem.
a low
Okay?
vagal
It's going to
tone,
lead to
and that is
heart
going to lead
problems,
to
stomach problems,
organ
liver,
problem, kidneys.
okay? It's gonna
All of
lead
your
to
organs are
heart
going to suffer
problems,
because the
stomach
vagus
problems,
nerve is
liver,
not happy. It's
kidneys.
not doing well.
All of your organs are
And
going to
of course,
suffer
mental
because the
illness
vagus
problems
nerve is
too.
not happy. It's not doing well.
Okay, that's the bad news.
And of course,
That's the
mental
bad news.
illness.
I had low
problems too.
vagal tone when I
Okay,
was
that's the bad
stressed. I
news.
had my own
That's
business.
the bad news. I had
And
low
I noticed
vagal
that
tone when I
my
was
heart, I was
stressed.
having
I had my own
arrhythmia and
business.
heart palpitations. I
And
thought
I
I was
noticed
dying.
that,
I thought I had a heart problem.
My heart, I was having arrhythmia
But,
and heart palpitations.
basically,
I thought I was dying.
I was
I thought I had a
experiencing a
heart
lot of
problem.
reflux, which is an
But,
acid buildup.
basically,
Which is a
I was experiencing a
byproduct
lot
of
of reflux,
inflammation,
which is an
and
acid
the
buildup,
acid was burning,
which is
my
a
vagus
byproduct
nerve.
of
It was
inflammation,
burning it.
and the acid
From
was
the
burning
reflux.
my.
So if you
vagus
suffer
nerve.
from
It was
reflux,
burning it.
guys,
from the reflux.
I do recommend that you get.
So if you suffer from reflux,
some medical
guys,
intervention,
sometimes
I
you
do
can't
recommend
operate,
that you
like
get,
for example, a hiatus
some medical
hernia.
intervention.
Very
Sometimes you
complicated
can't operate.
surgery.
Like,
I don't know,
for
has
example,
anybody
a
got a
hiatus
hiatus
hernia?
hernia? I've got a hiatus
It's
hernia.
very complicated surgery.
And it means that the
has
valve
anybody got a
is,
hiatus
is
hernia?
ruptured.
I've got a hiatus hernia,
and
and it
acid
means
just
that the
comes
valve
out.
is
But
ruptured.
you can take medication.
And
So that
acid
acid
was
just
burning
comes
my
out.
vagus nerve, and in return,
But you can
I felt
take medication.
stomach
So
pain.
that acid was burning
and I
my
felt
vagus
that my
nerve,
heart
and in
was-
return, I felt
was giving
stomach
up on me.
pain, and I
It was
felt
struggling.
that my heart
It was skipping beats.
was
It was
giving up on
sometimes
me.
going into
It was
a
struggling.
palpitation
It was
where
skipping
I can
beats.
just be lying on the
It was
couch and my
sometimes
heart
going
beat is
into
at 190,
a
200 beats
palpitation
a minute.
where I can just
Yeah.
be lying on the couch and my heartbeat is
Since
at
then,
190,
I have
200 beats
made
a
it
minute.
my life's
Yeah.
mission.
Since
to
then,
fix my
I have
vagus nerve.
made it my life's
Mission.
And how
to
did I
fix
do
my
that?
vagus nerve. I did that
Um,
through
And
these
how did I do
9
that?
elements.
I
Of
did that through
increasing vagal
these
tone,
9 elements,
so that my
of
nervous system is happy.
increasing
and if my
vagal
nervous
tone,
system is happy,
so that my
then I am
nervous
happy.
system is happy.
And
Okay,
if my nervous system is happy,
because everything revolves
then
around
I am happy.
this nervous system.
Okay.
It's funny
Because
how we
everything
were just
revolves
not
around
taught this,
this
at
nervous
school.
system. But anyway,
It's
a
funny
lot of
how
this
we were
research was
just
only
not
coming
taught
out
this
in
at
the
school
in the
But,
late 1990s.
Anyway, a lot of this research
As I
was
said,
only coming out
by
in Dr.
in the
Stephen
late
Porges and so on.
1990s. As I said,
So
by Dr.
number
Stephen
one is
Porges and so
stretching
on.
and yoga. So
Number one is stretching and yoga.
I thought yoga was for
Um,
girls.
My ex-wife was a yoga teacher.
I thought yoga was for girls.
My ex-wife was a yoga teacher. She was very good. And anybody here do yoga? Anybody do yoga? You do yoga classes at home or part of at a studio? No? Nobody. Okay. Ramso, you do yoga. Okay. Where do you go? Do you go to a studio or is it at home?
I go to the studio. Good
Oh,
morning.
nice.
Mm.
Whereabouts?
It's in Parkview in Johannesburg,
Park View.
not far from the Johannesburg, what do you call it, golf club.
Okay. Is it living yoga by any chance?
No, it's not living yoga.
Ah,
It's
okay.
called, I just forgot the name now. I'll drop it in the chat.
No worries. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you for sharing.
No problem. Thank you.
So, strangely enough, all of the researchers in the 90s and the medical professionals say that the one physical exercise or physical movement that your vagus nerve is so happy to experience is yoga. And it's no surprise. I mean, yoga's been around for nobody really knows, but the research points to between 6,000 and 7,000 years. It's probably older than that, but that's kind of the last sort of writings that we can find on it by Master Patanjali. That was about 5,000, 6,000 years ago. Crazy how old it is. So if we think about it, this is something that survived for at least 10,000 years. Amazing. And it is being confirmed and verified by science. So I played rugby at school. Jake White was my rugby coach. For those of you that follow rugby, you'll know who Jake White is. He took a lot of, they won World Cups. He's a great coach. He's the coach of the Bulls, was. And Jake was my coach, and he was hard and he was tough. And I got injured in my matric year. And the only way, oh, you do it at home, Maggie. Okay, cool. Well, that's good. The only way I recovered is by doing yoga. And if I don't do yoga, my back, I have back problems. So Pilates would also be good, right? Because you're keeping the core strong, but yoga really targets the vagus nerve. So I want to maybe just show you the stretches specific for the vagus nerve. So if you are having if you're experiencing a lot of stress at work, or even if you're not, it's in order to keep our vagus nerve strong, we can give it a bit of a workout. So we can do this now. It's really, really easy and really also very easy to remember. Okay. All right. So we're going to take our right hand and just place it over your head and touch the left ear. And just gently, we're going to encourage our right ear to drop, okay, to come down. Just gently, okay? There we go. Just a little stretch, okay? You can feel it. And now, because the vagus nerve runs here, down the neck, okay, on both sides. So what we're doing is we're just giving the nerve a stretch, which builds tone. Okay, we're going to try the other side, left hand, right ear, and just gently encourage the head down to the left side. Don't hurt yourself, please. Just take it easy. Okay, there we go. Vagus nerve stretches. Can you believe it? Right, now we're just going to drop the chin down, stretching the back of the neck. Now you can see I'm losing hair. And now lift the chin up to the ceiling. Why are there footprints on the ceiling? Lionel Richie must have been here. And then coming back to center. Let's move the head to the left and look over as far as you can, feeling the stretch in the neck. This is really important, guys. We're sitting all day long and our neck and our back is taking strain. We call this ergonomics. Moving back to center and looking over to the right and stretch. Okay, now we're just going to do a roll coming back to center. We're just going to do an easy roll going first down to the left. We are working in a anti-clockwise motion. Okay, nice. You might feel a couple of clicks and creaks. That's normal. And let's go the other way, clockwise. Doesn't that feel better? Do we do this enough? I don't think so. Think about your body as being this ancient nervous system machine, and we don't do much with it. We don't exercise enough. Okay, let's stop that. We don't stretch. We don't move as much as our ancient ancestors, and it's causing us a problem. Mental illness is on the increase. More and more. Every year it's going up and up. And it's primarily for this reason that we are not dealing with our cortisol and our adrenaline buildup. And of course, inflammation is rife. Thanks, Maggie. So now you know some basic stretches. Any stretching of the neck is targeting the vagus nerve. So if you can't remember what I just did, doesn't matter. Just remember to stretch your neck, okay? And you will encourage good vagal tone, not low vagal tone, good vagal tone. Right, which is good. And when we have good vagal tone, we are not so reactive. We are happier. We're not so stressed. We can deal with life's challenges easier. But if we have poor vagal tone, we are reactive. We are aggressive. We are short-fused. We are depressed. We are anxious. We think everyone's out to get us. You know, really, guys, I don't want to be in that place. Breath work we did at the beginning of this session, okay? We did alternate nostril. That was cool. Connection is another one that increases our vagal tone. And think about the ancient human being again. Community was vitally important. It still is. We are social creatures. We don't have sharp claws. We don't have big fangs. We don't run very fast. We're actually useless in the wild. I do these walks in the Kruger Park, and you feel like a piece of meat, you know, when you're with, and the only way we can survive in the Kruger is if we group together when there's elephants or there's lions nearby. And then they see you and they think it's a bigger animal. So that's how we survived. If you got kicked out of the tribe, death was pretty inevitable. Do you know that heartbreak is a physical pain? I know you've experienced heartbreak. That's why we call it. It is your nervous system screaming at you to get back into that relationship. Okay? It is a defense mechanism. Your nervous system says, fix the problem. Solve this problem. I'm feeling heartbreak. I want to get back into the family. I want to get back into my partner's life. I want to get back into connection. That's why heartbreak is so hard. Your whole body is saying, get back, get back. Because if you don't, in ancient times, you were out there in the wilderness alone. No good. Okay? That's why heartbreak feels so physical. It's clever, right? The body is clever. The nervous system is clever. It has its own intelligence. You know, you think you're smart. You are, but your nervous system is just as smart. It's so clever. A lot of the time, we don't even know what it's doing. Now, let me tell you another clever fact about your nervous system. The fight flight, okay, that is understandable. Freeze, the ultimate form of freeze. What is the ultimate form of freeze? It is fainting. Okay, it is falling over. Faint. So let's imagine you're walking in the bush and now you step on a lion's paw. The lion's sleeping, you step on a paw. You don't have any chance. So what does your nervous system do? It shuts you down. It drops you. Why does it do that? Because you're pretending you're dead. It's the last resort. Seriously. Your nervous system is saying, oops, you stepped on the paw of a lion, we're dead, but I'm going to try and save you. And if you look dead, maybe the lion will ignore you. Okay? It's so clever, but we don't even know it's doing it. It's fascinating. Fascinating topic. It really is. Your nervous system is just miraculous, incredible for its day. For its day. I say for its day. It doesn't serve us well in this modern world, guys. So we got to hack it. You got to think. You think about the first computer you ever had. That's like your body. And now what you're trying to do is you're trying to upgrade it. And it's so hard because it's such an old computer. So we're trying to add apps and programs to ancient hardware. So we are hacking our ancient hardware. Think of it as a computer. Like we're an ancient computer and we're adding apps. And the apps are stretching, breath work, staying connected. Okay? Reach out to your friends. Talk to them. Go for therapy. Talk about your emotions. Talk about what's going on. Your vagus nerve loves all of that. Okay? Your vagus nerve doesn't do well when you are lonely and you isolate yourself and you don't talk. Your vagus nerve don't like that. Okay? Your vagus nerve loves love. Love is what makes the world go round, right? God is love. Like love. Then you know that your vagus nerve is singing beautifully. Cold immersion has an incredible effect on the vagus nerve and strengthens the vagus nerve when you go for those cold plunges. And you don't have to I don't know, anybody done a cold plunge recently? Ice bath or swimming in the icy cold ocean or pool? It's got to be under 14 degrees, guys. Anybody? No one? Okay. I'm not a big fan, but they say even if you splash cold water on your face, that can have a very positive effect for your nervous system. So say you're having a stressful time, go to the bathroom and splash cold water, and that will help with your nervous system. Mindfulness is a game changer. It is so important. Here's the definition. Mindfulness is number 6. Mindfulness is paying attention in a particular way on purpose and in the present moment with non-reactivity, non-judgment, and open-heartedness. This is a definition by Dr. John Kabat-Zinn. I run a mindfulness teacher training program. It's one of the best things I've ever done in my life. What is mindfulness? It's pretty much just remembering to focus. Okay? Because I know you're going to forget the definition. Just remember to focus. Just remember to be present. Okay? Remember. Your vagus nerve loves it. Why? Because our minds get stuck in a stress cycle and rumination. Mindfulness breaks that. Mindfulness gives us the energy and the power to come out of thinking of the same rubbish thought over and over again. If you find that your mind is stuck in a washing machine thought pattern. Now, I mean, I went through a divorce 3 years ago. I couldn't stop thinking of what she said and what they said and what I said and what she said. And it played in my mind over and over again. I'm like in the shower, in the bath, walking. My mind is full of memories of arguments and stuff that happened, right? Terrible. And I thought to myself, I need to get out of this. When we practice mindfulness, we're focusing on our breath, we're focusing on sounds, things we can see or hear. Every time we bring our mind into the present moment, we are building this part of our brain called the anterior cingulate cortex. Okay, when that gets bigger, that is connected to our vagus nerve. It's connected to your nervous system, and you are able to be present and not get stuck in the washing machine. So you can try it. Focus on one thing, maybe your breathing, and then what will happen is your attention will wander. You'll think of something else, and then you bring it back. And every time you bring it back, you are building the anterior cingulate cortex. This part of your brain is growing every time you bring your attention back. But in a world of constant distraction and smartphones and apps, this part of our brain is withering and dying, which is no good, because if this gets smaller, our anxiety, our mental illness increases. Okay. There's something else here which is kind of weird. Number 7 is ASMR. ASMR. Okay, ASMR. It is weird. It is weird. I did some research yesterday on ASMR. This is crazy. Here is a lady literally eating clay, and she has like 20,000 followers. I want to show you how ridiculous this is. Wait. Okay. Check this out. Okay, I mean, a lady eating clay has a massive following. So ASMR is it's like sounds. Here's another one. I don't know, it doesn't do it for me, but people really, it helps with their stress, and somehow their vagus nerve tone when they watch these things. Okay, here we go. Check this one out. This is also bizarre, right? I don't know. Doesn't do it for me. Does it do it for you? Is this something that you got? I mean, you into ASMR? No one's ever seen that before. You haven't seen that before? I don't know. It looks kind of weird. But anyway, but these people have got thousands and thousands and thousands of followers. Just blows my mind. Isn't it strange? Did you think it's weird, or is it just me? I don't know. Maybe try it out. Google ASMR on YouTube and give it a try. Singing and chanting. Now, when we sing, who likes gospel music, to sing gospel? I'm gonna buy someone lunch today if you can sing me 1 minute of your favorite song right now. I'm gonna buy you lunch. Anybody want to do that? Nobody wants lunch. Your favorite song, maybe gospel song, praise, worship, chanting, whatever it is. Nobody wants lunch. Ah, la, la. Go, Maggie. Are you going to sing for us?
Yo, you will die if I start singing. Your ears will be blocked. Let me go practice first. I'll sing next time.
Oh, Maggie. Okay. Thanks, Maggie. Well, Maggie's going to try next time. I'm going to hold you to that. But even if you don't sound good, even if you don't sing well, the vibration of singing calms the vagus nerve. Muldentia, yes. Well, then you must check it out some more. You know, there's ASMR of people eating chicken like KFC, you know, and you're not weird. There's a big following. There's a big thing. Okay. Okay. I get it. Okay. Open plan. You can't sing. There's my cat. You see in the background there? Okay. Anyway, singing. Chanting, singing gospel, sing in the car, sing in the shower. It calms the nervous system and it builds vagal tone. Your nervous system loves singing, okay? Don't give up on singing. When you go home and you're cooking your dinner or whatever, washing your dishes, put on the music, sing. You're going to feel great and it will be good for your nervous system. And the last one is positive self-talk, all right? Because we bring ourselves down so badly. I'm not good at this. I can never do anything right. I don't deserve to be happy. I'll always fail. You know, I'm stupid. My life is a mess. You know, all these negative things that we buy into about ourselves, that's not good for the vagus nerve. That's going to give us low vagal tone when we run ourselves. You see, the vagus nerve is just a construct of love, guys. I mean, can't you see it? It is who we are. We are essentially love creatures. Jeez, I sound like Barry White. Yeah, baby. You must just love, baby. Okay, but really, you know, like if you love yourself, if you love other people, your vagus nerve is happy and strong. You can see that hatred and anger is no good for our body. So we are love creatures, okay? We are community creatures. We are social. We love. That includes yourself. That includes love for yourself. And that's the most, as Whitney says, it is the greatest love of all. Okay, we know that song. Is the love for yourself, okay? My favorite song is Walking Miracles. I don't know that one. Pietro, you're going to sing it for us? I don't know that song. Share a link or sing it. No, Pietro's not going to sing it.
Oh, I don't think so.
Not today.
Not today.
Will you?
I can play it. I can play it if you can hear it. I won't.
Yeah,
Don't know if you're going to hear it.
Maybe play a short snippet. Do you know how to include sound on Teams and all of that?
I don't know how to put it on or what. I don't know.
Okay. Yeah. If you can play it from your phone, that's fine. But if you're playing it through Teams, it's a whole story. Include sound, high fidelity, audio settings, blah, blah, blah. So it's not always that easy. Teams, yeah. Or you could pop the link in the chat and we can listen to it in our own time.
Yeah, I'll try.
Okay. Super. Thanks, Pietro. I'm keen. I want to know this song. But guys, sing. Don't forget. Because I know when we were teenagers, we sang, we would sing, right? I'm sure we did. Some of us are tone deaf. It's okay. Sing anyway. Doesn't matter. It's good for you. Positive self-talk, affirmations. Okay. I am enough. I'm worthy of love. What are you grateful for about yourself? You know, is it your resilience? Is it your smile? Is it your hair? Is it your, what do you love about yourself? What are you grateful? I like to write down, I like to journal. What do I like about myself? What am I grateful for? And that makes me feel good. And when I feel good, because it's an act of love, my vagus nerve likes love. It's happy when I'm giving myself love. It's happy when I'm giving other people love. So, stretching. It's an act of love. Breath work, act of love. Connection, love. Cold immersion, no, definitely not an act of love. No, I can't stand it. It's hard. I don't know. But give it a try. Give it a try. Probiotics and omegas. I haven't spoken on this. This is very important, guys. Omegas is good for your brain. Okay, it's going to build and it's going to be good for the brain, starting and travel down the vagus nerve, increasing vagal tone. Probiotics will regulate your gut, and if your gut is regulated, your gut is connected to your brain via the vagus nerve. So they say most of our serotonin, which is a feel-good chemical, is not actually produced in the brain as they thought it was. It is, obviously, but most of it is produced in the gut. And if your gut is not okay, so there's things like kimchi and sauerkraut and probiotics, and these kind of things are really excellent for your biomes, for your stomach biomes. And when your stomach's happy, you'll also be happy too. So there's a lot of things that go into the mix. On number 8, gargling. Yes, gargling definitely can work. Yeah, definitely. But maybe something you can do in the car on the way to work. I don't know if you can't gargle for that long. I like to sing in the car. And if you're taking the kids to school, get them to sing. You all sing together in the car. Why not? And it's not just for fun. It's a literal benefit to your nervous system. Thank you, Pietro. I'm clicking on that, but I'll listen to it when the session is over. Hold on. Okay. I'll do that straight after the session. Guys, there is a survey. Yeah. Christian has shared, my amazing colleague Chris, on the call. He is basically, I'm going to see if I can copy the link. It's our regular survey that we do. If you don't mind, if you can click on the survey and just fill it out, it really help us, and obviously, keep the sessions alive for you and keep them going. But that is the end of my presentation for today on the vagus nerve. And I hope that hope you're going to go and do the work. It's like talking about brushing your teeth and then you don't go do it. Like, seriously, if you're doing these things, maybe not all of them in a day, but as much as you can, your nervous system will thank you, and your organs will thank you, and your body will thank you, and your brain will thank you. And yeah, okay, your teeth won't thank you, but you got a toothbrush for that, okay? So yeah, thank you everyone for coming. It's Thursday. Is it Thursday? Yes, it's Thursday. All right, Maggie, thank you for your engagement, and we'll see you next time. Take care of yourselves. Look after your vagus nerve. Viva Las Vegas. Viva Las Vegas. Viva Las Vegas in a neon dancing. Bye, Pintu. Yes, thank you. Big thanks to Christian as well. Pietro, thank you. See you soon. Viva Las Vegas. Take care. Bye, everyone. Thank you for the hearts.